Alright, so anybody that is doing automatic to manual conversion on the first gen Dodges, this can be found on the files section of 89 to 93 first gen Cummins Facebook. So what we got going on here is we got the diesel engine. We got 14 gauge yellow coming in. This connector is black. It says near clutch rod, so you know it's underneath the dash. And then it comes out as 14 yellow because the clutch rod switch is just an interrupter. That's all it does, is interrupt it. So then this goes 14 yellow to ignition switch. So then over here you have the automatic transmission. It says bypass jumper taped to wire harness. So this is literally just a jumper. Some of the manual transmission guys put these in there. Then this is the wiring for the switch on the rod. So we go over here. We're looking for this jumper. You come up right there. That little loop is the jumper. This is the manual backup. So you got your 18 gauge white, your 18 gauge violet, violet black, I believe. That's going to go to your manual transmission reverse light switch. I have that linked in the first video in the description for the G56. The other transmissions are probably going to be different. They'll be the same wires, and then you just need to determine on your switch which is ground and which is hot. So here's the automatic. There's your white. That's the 3-pin connector that goes to your automatic. That's the white. There's your white. That's the violet and black. Violet and black. So these two are for your reverse lights. This one, your brown yellow, is for your neutral safety switch. So the center of the automatic's neutral safety switch is the brown yellow. The automatic neutral safety switch grounds that out when the shifter inside the transmission is in park or neutral. That way you can start your truck in park or neutral. This is where the used neutral safety switch will plug into. That's where we pulled out that yellow jumper wire. After we install the clutch interlock switch, this brown yellow here, we're going to wire to ground. I'm going to wire mine to ground underneath the truck. Alright, here's that clutch switch. We're going to plug it in here in a minute. This clip is the reason why you want to get one used. I don't think there are very many online where you can find this little clip, unless you can make one yourself. Here's the brown yellow. Clutch pedal is in. Transmission in neutral. Now start. Clutch pedal in. Hold that to ground and it starts.